At Chippewa Trails, we're building sophisticated main-level homes for your best years ahead. Hi, I'm Neil. Regardless of whether you're looking to downsize or upgrade your living space, there's something waiting for everyone here at Chippewa Trails, Beaver County's lowest priced new homes. With villa and townhome floor plans that feature a first-floor owner's suite and a 1 or 2 car garage, we're proud to offer the best of main-level living. Inside, an included kitchen island, stainless steel appliances, and bright cabinetry create a welcoming kitchen space. And from there, the family room flows effortlessly into the dining area, perfect for entertaining guests or spending weekends with the grandkids. With flexible living spaces come the option for an in-home office, perfect for scrapbooking, or keep it as a bedroom for out-of-town guests. And spacious backyards give you space for a covered porch. Designed for an easier lifestyle, each home includes a walk-in shower, levered doorknobs, lowered light switches, wider hallways and doors, comfort height vanities and toilets, and the laundry room is just steps away from your owner's bedroom. Plus, with lawn care included, you can spend more time doing the things that you love most. Your favorite shopping and dining destinations, Aldi, Home Depot, Eaton Park, are minutes away. In addition, Fox Run Golf Course is only 5 miles away, so you can hit the links in no time. If you're a frequent traveler, the Pittsburgh Airport is just 25 minutes away, and your commute just got easier with I-376, Route 51, and Route 18 just minutes from your door. Take the next step and join our VIP list to get access to exclusive offers and the latest information. We can't wait to welcome you home.